Yeah.
Sorry, they got grass right there.
That should be to
Yeah,
the
that's
loading dock.
Yeah, there's a loading dock.
Which is closed now. Don't. Nah, let's not. Let's keep making some kind of ambient noise because I don't want to hear the little drips and drops and other stuff. What? It looks like an old piece of cake.
Pretty sure it's not cake.
Might have been.
Tis not cake.
Here we go. That's definitely gonna be full of water. Yeah, look at that.
Oh my god, dude.
Every time it rains, it fucking fills up, most likely. Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah.
That is creepy.
Yeah, that's fucking terrible.
Alright.
Oh.
One of these days we're gonna come down here and it'll be semi-dry.
Yeah.
Because I really want to
We
explore
have to
that.
literally get. Oh, they like closed that